massive load there. Gonna have to turn around somehow because it's not suitable for HGVs. Let me go and have a look at this. Can't go through, it's unsuitable for HGVs, so very close to that. But oh, it's quite empty. This is our collection now, and so I'm gonna do a big collection now. And look at this, look at this, look at these big loads, guys. So massive load there. Imagine going past that and the more way. Woo! Look at that, guys. Not too sure what they for, but when you're driving on the road and something is 2 times bigger than your trailer, it must be a difficult journey. It depends when you're coming and how many miles you're doing. But anyway, farm job, so let's find out where we're going. I just collected the paperwork now and I already signed for it because the load is getting on it. And here's the beauty, look at this. Already curtains open, ready to go, ready to rumble. So while he's loading, I'm gonna be putting the straps on because the load is heavy. So I need to get going and get out of here as quick as I can for when I make this. All right, went in, came out, stuff like that, and then half of the load, well, pretty much half of it is loaded already. So I'm just gonna start putting the other ones on the other side. So get my ratchet straps and then start like throwing it on top, and then that should be sound. Oh, this. How many? Full load? 20.
10 straps you want.
All right. You too.
You too?
Yeah.
Tell me how to access it so I can watch it.
All right. So 20 pallet then?
20 pallets.
All right, so 10 straps. All right. Get my first ratchet on. Woo! All right, first ratchet of the day is on. So I will be back in a second. Let me carry on doing this. Each one of they are like 1,200 kilos, aren't they?
1.2, yeah.
1.2, yeah. 1.2, that means I need to use ratchets regardless. If I use anything else other than ratchets, I get stopped. That's a heavy, tasty pan straight away. So, all right, it's not fully loaded now. I think it's got about 12 pallets. And look how low it takes the also. Look how low it is. The guard mode is pretty much touching with the wheel there. Can't see it there, but I can touch it. It's pretty much touching with it. Even though they race, when I turn the truck on, it's gonna race up. But this is how it looks. And then you know now how heavy it is. It is a heavy load. There we go, last one. What I need to do now is 3 ratchets more, get on my truck and get out of here. All right, just calculating the route. I start at 7 today, well, 7:15 because I had to be 8 at the place. But anyway, if I carry on driving now and I stop in the next services, I'll be able to take a shower in 45 minutes, and that means I'm gonna be clean to go and rest tonight. So anything for a shower, anything. All right, just getting on the way now to get to this place. You really won't believe how hard it is to drive with all this weight in the trailer. Honestly, it is like heavy stuff. This is. It's a long way there. It's a very long way to get there. So I'm gonna try to get to the bridge, get over there, the bridge and witness, start making my way down. I'm gonna take the back road to go to North Wales. So it's right back in North Wales. So I guess it's gonna be interesting going around there, and I might be able to send the drone up, take some footage, and I bet you anything is gonna be amazing. It's an amazing place. Been to Wales before, and it's just beautiful left and right. It's not that many people as well, which is quite weird. So I'm halfway there now. I've been driving for a while. I stopped back there, not too far back, to get a coffee because I was absolutely shattered. Didn't have the best night's sleep last night, but guess what? We're making an effort to get there on time. Delivery's gonna be tomorrow morning, and I need to take a break in 1 hour and 11 minutes. So time of arrival for the farm is, I would say 6, because I need to take a half an hour. On top of that, I'm gonna add up another 15 just in case of traffic. This back roads for North Wales got like loads of roundabouts and too many things to avoid. Well, believe it or not, Wales is stunning. It's amazing. It's green. It's so nice driving through here, even though that it takes a long time to get to where you need to be. Oh, it's a gorgeous place. It is amazing. And that is what it looks like. Hope you enjoy it. I will have to take a break now in 58 minutes, so don't know if to carry on driving until I got half an hour left or just stop now. I think I'm gonna drive another the 28 minutes and wait for the half an hour to get stopping somewhere, because half an hour is more than enough to get stopping somewhere, so especially around there. Ah, look at this, absolutely amazing. I wish it wasn't raining right now so you could see the beauty of this a little bit better. This is some crazy roads as well. Gotta be careful, because the last thing I want to do is just go through the barrier and just land somewhere there, and that would be game over. But other than that, it's been pretty sweet, to be honest. Nice and steady, not going too fast. Just taking it slow. I think I just managed to stop here. There was a car there, and the guy kindly move it forward, so that's happy. Half an hour my break now. Look at this. This is just what you need. Amazing. That is gorgeous. You got a little string going down there, you got the wood blocks all around there, all of them been planted, but over there they're just cutting the trees off for purposes I don't know what, but still they have planted all them. It's quite amazing. So I'm not gonna be sure if you're gonna be able to see what's going on now, because it's pretty dark around there. So let's get out of here, get a little bit closer to this place. This is one of the best places you can stop to have a break, because it's absolutely amazing. Would it be a tiny bit better? So I better get to where I need to be. I'm not gonna be able to deliver it today because it's a tomorrow job. So what I can do is park outside the farm or somewhere close. If I can do that, that would be absolutely fantastic. The road is getting crazy, so every time I go past a little bend and so close to the walls or bushes, I just went past the house. I have never ever in my life gone past, look, hitting my mirror, but like I was saying, I have never gone past the house that close. Look at the bushes there, look, wow. If you're taking this route, just make sure you got a little bit of experience. I know the most experienced trucker in the world, but I tend to manage a bit going around these places. It's nothing crazy, to be honest, but if you're a brand new driver, do not do it. Constantly on the brakes, constantly. But look at this one, look at how sharp that is at the end of the house as well. I'm doing 30 miles an hour in a 40. Wow, that's a nice house there. Wasn't that bad, that been. So we're doing all right. Woo! One mistake, that's all it takes. And look at that, it's gonna get even worse. Windy roads everywhere. The signs is everywhere. You get signs like that, you're gonna get everywhere because it's so windy. Woo! Wow, look at this, driving by the coast. Ooh, absolutely phenomenal. Look at the water there. I'm just trying to see if the road leads me to somewhere a little bit more close to the water, but you still can see it. It's nice and clean water, it's not like the messy. You're not gonna see anything like that in any other channel other than this one. So subscribe, like, comment, help us out, guy, and then we carry on just bringing stuff like this, because this is stunning. This is stunning, this, wow. Well, we're going in the little town now. Hopefully it's not going to be that crazy. All right, gonna have to take the whole bridge for myself. All right, not too far from the farm, straight away is a massive traffic jam in here straight away. 3.4 miles away, so yeah, I'm gonna try to park up somewhere as close as I can, so when I wake up tomorrow, the first thing I need to do is just drop everything off and I'll be ready and good to go. But the place where it's taking me is like right at the center, and it's telling me to go down this way. Well, it's tire marks already. Oh, unsuitable for long vehicles. Let me see. Gonna have to turn around somehow because it's not suitable for HGVs. So let me reverse out to go back the same way I came from. We don't want another junction there. And this does have signs, so let me go and have a look at this. Can't go through, it's unsuitable for HGVs, so better get out of here somehow. Very close to that, but I might be able to get out. Ah, man, honestly. Let me go and check this. People on the road. Oh, it's quite empty. Ah, God. I'm gonna have to jack here as much as I can. Yeah, I should be alright there. Yeah, I should be able to get out of there. Should be able to swap. Whoa. Woo. There you go. Oh, wow. Even getting out of like little places like that is difficult. When I was coming around, he gave me two options. Give me that one or the next one, which is the one we're going to now, straight over the roundabout. Hopefully that's going to be a quicker way to get in. Not quick, I'm not looking for quick, I'm looking for safety, for the road that I can actually go in. All right, let's go. Believe it or not, this job can be stressful sometimes. I'm gonna be really careful. So it wasn't suitable for HGVs to carry on going that way. I had a weight limit if I carry on going forward. So the best option that I had was going into there unsuitable for HGVs, but not carry on forward, just coming back. So pull back out of that place and then trying to find another way, which is the one that I'm going now. Otherwise I could be stuck there, or I wouldn't go through what I did before. Well, with the junction there, it's a video about it. It's absolutely the most crazy thing I have done in my entire driving career, and I'm not going through that again. I learned from that, so I'm not doing it again. Even the little roundabouts are difficult to get past, but at least we're on a different route now than the one we've just been on. Hopefully this one is going to be nice and easy to get in, and then it's going to be a turnaround point to come back the same way, unless I get sent somewhere else tomorrow. All right, this is our farm. It's completely closed, so I'm gonna have to come back tomorrow, so I'm gonna go and find somewhere to park. So I guess if I reverse here, I can use this space to turn around. Let me see how I can turn this around in a good way. Don't need to. Wow, so heavy, this, so heavy. To be honest, I think I can spend the night here. Well, I say, I think there's a house, I'm not too sure. Yeah, that's someone's house, so I can't spend the night here. That would be disturbing the peace of someone. All right, time to find somewhere where to park. So I went past the spot just back there, so what I might do is just use this as a turning point to go back. They're gonna let me go past. Nice one. Thank you, pal. Thank you. All right, I think I'll be able to fit in here. It's these two cars. It's a parking, it says, but let me see if I can fit in here. Yeah, I think it's more than enough space. All right, I'm in. That should cover my bases. Yeah, I'm off the road there, so that's a good one. So I'm gonna have to wait until tomorrow. It's not bad because I'm just right next door to it. So have a good night. Wake up tomorrow morning. I have to ring the place, trying to find out what time they open. But I got another auction that's having a look on the internet, and probably we find something. But other than that, I will see you tomorrow then, and then come back with updates. So let's go. So you know, guys, this video was sponsored by DYU, one of the best bikes I've rode in a really long time. Electric bike with a lot of features. Just turns there, and then it's got like some amazing things like that. And at the front of it, it's got lights that you can turn on and off. When you brake, the lights come on as well, or stays on. It depends how you want to do it. Go and follow them on the social media, and then tell them where you come from. Just give them a like and follow them. Cheers, guys.